Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Helpline. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name. To get started, let's open YouTube Studio. If you haven't installed YouTube Studio, then simply you can go to your App Store and search YouTube Studio and download it. For now, I have already downloaded my YouTube Studio, so let's open it. Now this is your YouTube channel. I want to change my YouTube channel name. So let's click on profile icon that is located on top right corner. Now you can see here in the top right corner, here is pencil icon. Click on it. Now again click on pencil icon. So let me enter my daily vlog. Then click on save button. Here you go, you can see my YouTube channel name is changed into my daily blog. So in this way you can change your YouTube channel name. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.